So, have you ever had a bill or expense come up that you wish you could just throw on your credit card, but the recipient doesn't actually accept credit cards? Or conversely, you're a business and you don't normally accept credit cards, but you have a client that has a balance and can only pay it on a credit card. Or even, maybe you're selling on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, and again, you have an interested buyer. They've got money on their credit card, but you've got no way to take it. Here's a way that you can do this called plastic, and it allows that person to take the funds from their credit card available and convert that into a paper check, which you receive and just deposit normally, just like you would any other check. So here's how this would work. So in the description here, I put a link to set up your free plastic account. This is once you get logged in. I'm just going to walk through how this would work. So once I'm on the main screen here, I'll just click Make Payment. You can add a recipient, or I just have a couple vendors here pre-populated. So select Test Vendor, Continue. Amount, so this is the amount that I'm paying them. So let's say it's $1,000 we owe them. This is where it's going to come from. The funds are going to actually come off of my credit card here. So this is who I'm paying on behalf of on the check. If I want to put an invoice number, we can do that. We can add a memo. And click the box and continue. So from here, this is going to tell you how you're going to deliver it. This is a paper check. So we'll select standard delivery. There are expedited available as well. You could also pay by ACH, wire if you have their bank info for a faster payment, but we'll just click to make this a paper check. Continue. If I have an invoice I'm paying, I can drag and drop a copy of the invoice here, so it'll pay the actual invoice in the mail, and click continue. So from here, if I wanted to process this, I would just click submit payment. So as you can see, I'm paying $1,000. That is what the recipient will receive. These fees are assessed to me as the buyer here. So this fee is 2.9%, and in this case, paper check is $149 for delivery. So the total of my card will be charged is $1,030.49. This is the processing fee, and this is what my recipient will receive. So just click here, and that would submit the payment. So that's how that works. Again, it's just an easy way to take funds available on your credit card and convert that into a paper check, which your recipient takes and submits and deposits just like a regular payment.